SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off 5G on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Some iPhone models have the ability to connect to 5G networks depending on whether or not the iPhone and your carrier support that feature. If your iPhone has 5G and it's causing trouble because you don't have a good 5G connection, or if you simply don't want to use the 5G connection on your phone, then you can disable it by opening the Settings app. You can then choose the Cellular option at the top of the screen, and then you can select Cellular Data options in the top section. Now you just need to choose Voice and Data from this menu, and then you should see something here that indicates the different network options that are available from your phone and your carrier. So if you want to turn off 5G, then you just need to choose the LTE option, which is going to force your iPhone to only use the LTE network connection, and it will no longer connect to any of the 5G networks that might be available to you.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.